So guys, this is my first gaming video. Hope you people like it. I need something to hold this freaking thing. Done. Okay. I think my knees will work. Probably not, but okay. 15 seconds later. Okay, hey guys, today's my first gaming video. And I'm with the Jew to the M to the gay. No, he's not gay. But I'm with my friend today. I have horrible graphics on this phone, but okay. Why are you in my house? Go to your own house. It's nighttime. I'm watching off my phone. I'm watching off the phone. I'm not even watching off the Xbox. This is gonna be my first video that's probably 2 minutes long. Awesome! I'm gonna start a live stream. So we are live streaming live today. So guys, that would be the end of this video. Shout out to Jonathan. His YouTube account is the
Shout out to Juice Griffey. Go look him up. Watch his videos. He does Minecraft videos. Yeah.
and the name is Drew. See you later, peoples. Booyah!